Dividend stocks are a popular investment choice for those seeking to earn income from their portfolio while also enjoying the potential for long-term capital appreciation. While there are many factors to consider when selecting dividend stocks, including a company's financial health and growth potential, there are certain companies that have established a track record of consistently paying and increasing their dividends over time. Let's have a deep look into dividend stocks to buy and hold forever. Number 10. McDonald's Corp. McDonald's is a worldwide chain of fast food restaurants that has been in operation for more than 60 years. Because of the company's powerful brand and devoted customer base, it has been able to remain profitable despite periodic drops in the national economy. Because McDonald's has a long history of paying dividends and has a track record of increasing those dividends over time, it is an excellent stock to buy and keep for the long term. In addition, the company's dividend yield is quite high. Since it first started issuing dividends in 1976, the company has increased the dividend it distributes each and every year. As of April 2023, McDonald's dividend yield is approximately 2.3%. Number 9. ExxonMobil. ExxonMobil is a multinational oil and gas company that is involved in the exploration, production, transportation, and sale of crude oil, natural gas, and petroleum products. ExxonMobil was founded in 1892 and is headquartered in Irving, Texas. ExxonMobil is one of the largest and most well-known energy companies in the world, and its market capitalization is over $230 billion, making it one of the most valuable companies in its industry. Because the company has a long history of paying dividends and increasing those payments over time, income investors may find it to be an appealing investment option. The dividend yield for ExxonMobil as of right now is 5.61%. Number 8. PepsiCo. PepsiCo is a multinational food and beverage company that conducts business in several different markets, some of which include beverages, snacks, and nutrition. PepsiCo is one of the largest companies in the food and beverage industry in the world, according to its market capitalization of over $214 billion. Because the company has a long history of paying dividends and increasing those payments over time, income investors may find it to be an appealing investment option. At the moment, the dividend yield on PepsiCo is 2.85%. Number 7. Cisco Systems Incorporated. A pioneer in enterprise computing with a market capitalization of $232 billion, Cisco is a Silicon Valley institution that has become one of the most powerful forces in the technology industry. Despite the fact that it has had a number of false starts over the years, including some strange forays into consumer technology with products such as its flip camcorder, the company has been able to withstand the test of time as its business has grown, and so has its dividend. Payouts initially began in 2011 at a rate of 6 cents per share quarterly and have significantly increased over the course of the past decade to a rate of 37 cents per share in 2021. Even though it is clear that the company is built to last, it is currently riding high. In September, it reached a new high of the previous 52 weeks, and it is looking up in the short term. The yield is currently 2.7% at this point. Number 6. AT&T Incorporated. AT&T is a stock that is likely to remain valuable for a long time, and it has increased its dividend each year. This well-established telecommunications company has recently streamlined its operations by selling its stake in Warner Bros. Discovery Incorporated in order to pay down its debt and concentrate on the telecom industry's core business. AT&T has a long history of consistently paying dividends to shareholders, and the company currently has a dividend yield of 7.1%. The dividends have been distributed by the company for more than 35 years, and for the past 37 years, the company has increased the amount it distributes annually. Number 5. Verizon Communications. Verizon Communications is a multinational telecommunications corporation that serves both individual customers and commercial enterprises with wired and wireless communication services. The business is successful thanks to its well-known brand and its large customer base. In addition, it competes in a sector that is extremely strictly regulated. Verizon has a long history of paying dividends, and for the past 15 years in a row, the company has managed to increase the amount of dividends it distributes. Verizon has maintained its dividend payment schedule for more than 3 decades, making it a trustworthy investment option for those who prefer to receive the returns in the form of dividends. The business is able to maintain a healthy balance sheet and a debt-to-equity ratio that is relatively low, thanks to the significant cash flows produced by its wireless and wireline operations. Number 4. Coca-Cola. The legendary investor Warren Buffett has held Coca-Cola stock in high regard for a very long time, and for good reason. Coca-Cola is a multinational beverage corporation that manufactures a diverse portfolio of carbonated and non-carbonated drinks across the globe. The company possesses a powerful global brand, as well as a varied product portfolio, which includes Coca-Cola, Sprite, and Fanta, amongst other soft drinks. But of its well-known brand and widespread presence, the company is a reliable investment option. Coca-Cola has a long history of paying dividends, and for the past 59 years in a row, the company has managed to increase the amount of dividends it distributes. The company holds a powerful position in the beverage industry's competitive landscape and generates significant cash flows from the operations it conducts across the world. Coca-Cola is a trustworthy investment option for dividend investors because the company has maintained its dividend payment schedule for more than a century, resulting in a dividend yield of 3.30%. Number 3. Procter & Gamble. Procter & Gamble is a multinational consumer goods corporation that is best known for its extensive portfolio of household and personal care goods. The company possesses a wide variety of well-known brands in its portfolio, some of which are Tide, Crest, and Gillette. Procter & Gamble has a long history of paying dividends, and for the past 64 years in a row, the company has increased the amount of dividends it distributes. Long-term investors should consider Procter & Gamble as a viable investment option because the company offers a dividend yield of 2.48%. The business enjoys a powerful competitive position within the consumer goods industry and generates significant cash flows as a result of its operations conducted across the world. Number 2. Johnson & Johnson. Over the course of its more than 130 years in business, the healthcare conglomerate known as Johnson & Johnson has become a household name. Johnson & Johnson is a multinational healthcare company that creates and sells a diverse array of goods, some of which are pharmaceuticals, medical devices, and consumer health goods. Johnson & Johnson has a long tradition of contributing to shareholders through the distribution of dividends, and the company has maintained a pattern of annual dividend increases for the past 59 years. The business possesses a robust balance sheet, has a debt-to-equity ratio that is relatively low, and generates significant cash flows as a result of the wide variety of products and services it offers. Johnson & Johnson is a dependable dividend stock that offers both stability and potential for growth, as evidenced by the stock's dividend yield of 2.53%. Number 1. J.P. Morgan Chase & Company. J.P. Morgan Chase & Company, the most powerful of the big banks and a global financial institution, is not going anywhere anytime soon. It is a market leader in providing a comprehensive range of financial services, including banking for individuals and small businesses, wealth management, and premium services for large institutions and corporations. J.P. Morgan Chase & Company is a multinational corporation that operates as an investment bank as well as a provider of financial services. J.P. Morgan has a long history of consistently paying dividends, as evidenced by its current dividend yield of 3.2%. The business has been distributing dividends to shareholders for more than a century, and for the past 11 years, it has raised the amount of money distributed in dividends on an annual basis. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.